part 2, guys. Um. Oh wait, it's alright. It's 3 minutes now, guys. So my notebooks are already fixed. By the way, I have NRP, Math, English, Science, Makabansa, GMRC, Filipino, NRP. And that's all. And Makabansa means history, and GMRC means good manners and right conduct. If you didn't know, because this is set for kids. I think it's let's throw that in the trash can. I don't put it anymore. Now it's empty. What's that? Oh yeah, it's empty. I just saw something weird. Do you guys know about the fever bird? Yeah, I know the fever bird. I saw it on TikTok. But I'm not allowed to comment on it because I don't have an account, because I got banned, because I think one of the lives I don't relapse, which means it's reminding you about the one that left you alone when you needed them, or when someone left you, like when your partner left you. It means like that. And yeah, that's all what it means. Anyways, the next video will be tomorrow or today, because I saw on one of my videos it said there are too many daily strikes. So maybe today or tomorrow, yeah, like that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put everything in my bag. Wait, flower. So, guys, I'm done, and this is my bag now. So this is my bag. I don't know if you can see it well, but here is it.